Now we're going to use the second equation, E equals h times nu, in this next problem. We're going to calculate the energy, so this is what we're solving for, and it's great because it's already by itself. And it's associated with wavelength of light using the frequency in problem 1, and I already wrote that one down right here. That's the frequency. So this number will be going in that place. And then we want to use h is the constant, so we're going to use this number here, 6.626 times 10 to the minus 34th. It's very small, joule seconds, for our h value. So again, we're solving for E. It number should come out in joules. So 6.626 times 10 to the minus 34th joules times seconds times, and then we have our nu, which is 4.28. I'm probably going to write it like that. Times 10 to the 14th, and that would be like saying 1 over a second. We'll put that in our calculator, 6.626 e to the negative 34th times 4.28 e to the 14th. And this has 1, 2, 3 sig figs. This is a constant. You generally don't use constants. You generally assume that they're exact when you're doing these kinds of calculations. 2.8. This says 3.5, so the 5 would round the 3 up so that we have 2.84 times 10 to the negative 19th. Notice this joule is still there, and then we have a second, and then times 1 over a second. So it's like saying joules times seconds over seconds, and so that cancels. So that gives us just a joule unit.